Diurnal versus nocturnal versus crepuscular animals. What are these behaviors? Nocturnal, diurnal, and crepuscular behaviors describe when animals are most active. Diurnal means active during the day. Nocturnal means active at night. Crepuscular means active during twilight, dawn and dusk. These patterns are adaptations to avoid predators, heat, or cold. With animals like owls, who are nocturnal, squirrels, who are diurnal, and deer, who are crepuscular, representing each lifestyle, though some can shift behavior based on conditions. Let's discuss them in details. Number 1. Diurnals. Diurnal animal behavior describes organisms that are active during the daytime and rest at night. This pattern is driven by their internal circadian rhythm, but also influenced by factors like food availability, temperature, and predator avoidance. They have specialized adaptations like keen eyesight for bright light, while they sleep or hide during darkness, often in dens or burrows. In essence, diurnal animals operate on a day shift, aligning their energy, senses, and behaviors with daylight hours for survival and reproduction. Examples are found across all major animal classes, including mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Mammals like humans, gorillas, elephants, and giraffes. Birds like eagles, hawks, and falcons. Reptiles like alligators, king cobras, and black mambas. Insects like honeybees, butterflies, and dragonflies. Number 2. Nocturnals. Nocturnal behavior is when animals are primarily active at night and sleep during the day. This strategy offers benefits like avoiding predators, escaping daytime heat, reducing competition for food. This allows for specialized adaptations like enhanced night vision, hearing, or echolocation. This behavior is common across many species, including mammals like bats, skunks, and raccoons. Birds like owls. Insects like moths. Even some fish, allowing them to exploit different ecological niches. Number 3. Crepuscular. Crepuscular behavior describes animals that are primarily active during the twilight hours, specifically dawn and dusk. They do this to avoid predators and take advantage of the dim light for hunting or foraging. A pattern contrasting with diurnal, day active, and nocturnal, night active, species. But why in twilight? The dim light offers a natural camouflage, making it harder for both predators and prey to see each other, creating a safer window for feeding and movement. Crepuscular animals are further divided into 2 specific groups, based on which part of twilight they prefer. They can be either matutinal animals or vespertine animals. Matutinal animals are active only or primarily in the early morning, around dawn. Vespertine animals are active only or primarily in the evening, around dusk. Matutinal animals include white-tailed deer, rabbits, and coyotes. Vespertine animals include domestic cats, bats, and moths.